channel. This is going to be a very quick video, so just make sure that you stay until the end of the video, which might be useful for you guys. This is 2024 Honda CB 750 Hornet. Adjustable clutch levers and brake levers that I have changed, and the bar end mirrors. And last but not least, I've also changed the rear hugger because I was having issues when I was riding in the rain. So I changed the hugger, which actually looks like this on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side it looks like that on the left hand side, and from far behind it looks like that. So it doesn't disturb any aesthetics of the bike after installation of the rear hugger. It still looks the same, very sporty. Yep, very aggressive look, except the fact that now I can be spared from the rain and dirty roads. So from far it looks like that, if you can see. It's so it's actually not fully covered, but just before the indicators. Yeah, just before the indicators. So it's not too bad. If you guys are considering to buy this one, the rear hugger, I would highly recommend this. Yeah, and it is an easy installation. It's not that hard if you can just follow the manual, the video I have specified in YouTube. Soon this bike will be a 1 year, and I will be doing a 1 year ownership review. The bar and mirrors are really solid. It doesn't move, like it doesn't move at all. Like you can see, it's very robust. And with the installation of bar and mirrors, I confirm that now the visibility has extended. And yes, even in the lane filtering, I don't have any issues. I don't do lane filtering all the time. I only do when the cars are stopped. So yeah, it is pretty good. If you guys wanna have a look one more time, I'm gonna do a near shot. So that's the adjustable lever clutch. So the best setting is number 3. I like it on number 3, but if you guys like it on any other settings, do let me know. And brake lever also setting number 3 is really good. Ever since I changed the clutch, it's very smooth. By the way, these are Savage brake and clutch levers from eBay. I just bought it for $40. It's really light and robust when it comes to the durability. And the mirrors also from the same company, Savage bar and mirrors, and they both are specifically made for this Honda CB 750 Hornet 2023 plus models, so you don't have to worry. The rear hugger, this is from the Power Browns company. I made this rear hugger. That's from the left hand side, looks like that, and that's from behind, far behind. That's from far behind, like looks like that. It doesn't disturb the style at all. And from right hand side it looks like that, the rear hugger. The exhaust and the windshield, I have done this when I purchased the bike, so that's not the recent upgrade. The recent upgrade is the hugger, the levers, and the mirrors. And also I have done this USB port. So the wire comes, I just took it from inside. where the back seat is. So if you remove the seat, there's a USB-C port in there. You just need to plug in your iPhone or Android phone cable, and it comes at the front. And I purchased this cover from eBay. This is a waterproof cover. So if I take this off, so it's now I can plug it in the phone charger so that it is covered under the rain as well. And then when you're not using it, you just close it, and then there is a space here. I just leave it on that space, so it's neatly tucked in. Bike is running really well with those modes on. I don't have any issues with the levers I changed or the bar and mirrors. It doesn't come loose. Um, like I mentioned in the video, so if you see there's a gap here between the there's a gap. So when you install, make sure that you have this gap. So the only way you do it is you need to put this one all the way through this knob, then put it in. So same on the other side, you need to have that gap, this gap. If you don't have that gap, that means you haven't installed it correctly and you will have issues. This is it, guys. So I will see you with the 1 year ownership review in the next video. And by the time, happy holiday season, Merry Christmas to everyone, and Happy New Year in advance. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts, you can comment on the comment section and I'll quickly come back to you. If you like the video, guys, please click the like button, share my video, and subscribe so that you will be notified on my next video soon. And thanks again for your patience and time for watching this video. I really appreciate that. See you all